guys, I'm not sure where we're at in this video series. I think we're on like two or three here. I kind of lost track, sorry. But, so we've already built our table. You should have seen that already. Just cut and screwed in a couple 2x4s off this recycled garden bed that we never used. We've already duct taped our pool. Just done a little bit of basic duct taping on both sides, alright, to cover up the cracks. You're going to ask, why did I cover up the cracks? Well, I'm going to do what I'm doing later. I'm going to drill holes in it. The reason is, since we're putting it up off the ground, we don't want any chance that dirt's just going to fly out the bottom of this pool. So this duct tape was to prevent the dirt from flying out the bottom. Alright, we just don't want to lose the dirt. That's why we duct taped it, but we're going to drill holes later. Now, drilling holes when we lose dirt, possibly a little bit, but we need drainage. If we don't have drainage, we're gonna have a lot of problems, and this tub's just gonna fill up. So we're probably gonna put about 20 holes in the bottom of this to make sure we have plenty of proper drainage. There you go. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be using some of this black paper. This is usually used for killing weeds. It is kind of watertight. So we're going to put this down first, and then we're going to drill our holes in the bottom for drainage. Alright? But this is going to be an added layer to help with our dirt. So the dirt isn't going to be sitting directly in the pool. It's going to be up on this paper. Alright? And it's a little bit windy, so this might be a process, but we'll get it done. Alright, so I'm just going to lay it down as flat as I can. Because of the wind, I'm going to go ahead and duct tape one of the ends, so we don't have to deal with this flapping around everywhere. Alright, and remember, this is your all-weather duct tape, so this is going to hold up a little bit more than if you just go buy the cheapo duct tape. Alright, if you buy dollar store duct tape, it ain't going to do this. Alright, it just isn't going to hold up. But this should. Alright, and we're not necessarily too concerned about these edges. I'll probably duct tape that off a little bit, but we're not too concerned about them. Yeah, the dirt might go over that edge a little bit. I'll duct tape it to make sure we don't have any major problems with that. So let's get this paper in. You guys are watching as I'm being boring. Sorry. Alright. To get the paper down, we're going to cut. Alright, not the straightest cut in the face of the planet, but that's alright. Do a little bit more duct taping. Alright, you want to lay it as flat as you get it as flat as you can, because we are going to be plopping dirt in here, so it's going to bring it down either way. Alright. One of the advantages of using this paper and then drilling the holes is that this paper isn't going to stay still on the bottom, so these holes aren't going to perfectly line up in the end. So you'll have some added protection when you put the dirt down, to keep the dirt in, make sure dirt stays in. But it should filter the water through those holes. If not, we'll find out soon. But I don't think that'll be a problem. Alright, one more little piece of duct tape. Alright, that should hold it. We'll see how it does. If the duct tape rips off after we get the dirt in, it's not that big of a deal. It's more making sure that the paper's flat while we're putting the dirt in. Alright, so drilling your holes, just going to be very simple. I'm not going to take you guys through the whole thing. Since it's on a table, I'm going to look for the gaps, and I'm going to drill my holes through those gaps. Alright, and I'm going to drill 5, and don't do that if you can avoid it. I'm going to drill 5 in each sort of gap area. 3, 4, again, it's not that big of a deal if the paper moves. You honestly kind of want that because this does have some water tightness to it. This paper does have water tightness to it. So we're drilling our and then one more set. Alright, there you go. She's all ready for dirt. I'm gonna go put the dirt in. I'm not gonna have you watch me place bags of dirt physically into the tub. So I will see you guys after you get the dirt in, and we'll talk about planting. See you in the next video. Bye.